What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Cardano, guys. ADA, it's been a little bit sleepy this last week or so. Currently sitting at 222, down about 1.75% of the day. Seeing a market cap of 70.63 billion. 24-hour volume is 2.34 billion. So it's just going to be a quick one, guys. Make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app, crypto.com, my favorite app for investing. Grab one of their incredible Visa cards, free Spotify, Netflix, and travel incentives, as well as Prime. So guys, we've been talking about this ascending triangle. I thought if we got rejected by this neckline, we'll most likely come back down to test our level of support here, which is what happened. So it would be crucial for us to see a bounce. Now, Bitcoin has broken out of its bull flag, currently testing 57.5K, the 1.272 extension. But as you can see here, it hasn't really affected ADA. So we do need to see a little bit of a bounce. We may be creating a real small double bottom here. So this does give us a good opportunity to bounce. We need to get back above the EMAs because we're about to have the bearish cross on the 4-hour and break out of this target here, break out of this bullish continuation pattern, ascending triangle, would bring ADA up here to about 262. But if we do break down and lose this level of support, can bring ADA all the way back down to about $1.89. But we do have that strong level of support at 205 for ADA. So what you want to see here is we bounce off this level of support and we see a breakout that we've been waiting for here for ADA. All right, guys, I'm just going to move this back up here. So here on the daily, we're almost having the bearish cross as well. That's why I think it's really crucial for us to see a bounce relatively soon here, because we do not want to see that bearish cross of the EMAs on the daily chart. We're looking healthy on the weekly here. We can see here on the weekly, we're holding the 20 EMA as support. And as long as we stay above 205, we're still looking strong for continuation. We just need to see some volume step up for ADA to break us out of this ascending triangle so we can start heading up to these price targets here. We have resistance at 239, 255, 271. If I open this up here, we are above the 0.786, which is a really strong sign of continuation. We just need to see some volume step up here to push us back up our previous all-time high once again, come up and break 305, which is the target of our descending triangle here, and head up to 318 and 361 for ADA. But if we were to break down here and we lose this level of support, the technical target's down at about $1.87, $1.88. And just keep an eye on that strong level of support for 205. We're just really waiting for that volume to step in for ADA. This sideways action is getting pretty boring, I'm not gonna lie. So hopefully we see a breakout soon. So that's it for this one, guys. Shout out to the Discord. We're posting chart patterns. We're posting our profits. We're talking all things crypto, guys. Is the price of a coffee. You can, if he dies, he dies. You can sign up through the Patreon. It's the price of a coffee. And make sure to sign up to Bybit and receive up to $600 in bonuses. My favorite platform for trading. You also receive $50 for your first deposit within 48 hours. And check out my full length tutorial if you're new to the platform. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Much love. Take care.